Good morning, children. Let's begin our English class. In today's class, we're going to learn about a new lesson 3 in our textbook. That is, Little Girls Are Wiser. So, let us begin our lesson, children. Little girls are wiser. So, in this story, there are two little girls and they are wise. They behaved in a smart way. How did they do that? Let us see. It was Easter Sunday and the winter snow had just begun to melt in a little village in Russia. There were puddles of muddy brown water all along the streets. Two little girls who had just come back from church met at the corner of their street. They were in their Sunday best. Malasha, the younger of the two, was dressed in a bright blue frock, while Akulya, the older girl, wore a pretty yellow one. They admired each other's new clothes and began to play. Now, if you look at the picture, children, there is church at the backdrop. You can see a church over there. And there are two girls standing. The small one, younger one, is in a bright blue frock. And the older one, she is in a pretty yellow frock. The small one, the younger girl's name is Malasha. And this older girl's name is Akulya. Now, if you look at the road, children, there is snowfall all over the road. Can you see? White layer of snow. Even the trees are covered with snow. At some places you can see puddles of muddy snow also. Here it's shown as white picture, but when the snow falls and the dirt on the mud mixes with it, dirt of the street mixes with it, and the snow becomes dirty brown. So there were dirty brown pools of water on the road here and there. Now these two girls went to church that Sunday in their new dresses. Akulya, the bigger one, elder one, was in yellow dress, which was her new dress. And Malasha, the younger one, also wore a new blue dress. Why do you think, children, these two kids are in new dress? Because it was Easter Sunday. Sundays generally people go to church. But what is this Easter Sunday, children? So Easter is one of the festivals of Christians, children. It comes on Sunday. So Easter is a festival celebrated on some special Sundays, children. It generally is celebrated in the month of March or April. So because that was a festival day, these two girls dressed up very beautifully and went to church. As this place is in a small village in Russia, children. So as the church was finished, they came out of the church and they both met each other in the corner of the street. So as they walked to the corner of the street, they saw each other. Then they started wishing each other, "Hi, hello, how are you? Happy Easter." They wished each other. They both were very good friends. And they even admired each other's new dress, children. Admired means praised. "Oh wow, how pretty is your dress. Yes, even yours is so beautiful." So they praised each other's dresses. After that, they started to play on the street. Malasha was about to step into a puddle when Akulya reminded her, "Don't, Malasha. Your mother will scold you for sure. Let's take off our shoes and socks first." But little Malasha was much too excited and plumped her foot down so hard that the muddy water splashed right onto Akulya's new frock. Both girls were trying frantically to dab the stains off Akulya's frock and make them disappear when Akulya's mother walked up to them. She took one look at her daughter's dirty frock and sternly demanded, "Just what have you been up to? Akulya. It's not my fault, mother, said Akulya nervously. Malasha splashed water all over my frock. At once, Akulya's mother caught hold of Malasha and shook her hard. Malasha began to weep loudly. Now we have seen, children, these two beautiful girls came out of the church. They met at the corner of the street. They praised each other's beautiful frocks and they began to play. As they were playing, children, there was a puddle of dirty water on the road. So the elder one, Akulya, reminded the smaller one, Malasha, see, be careful, there is a puddle of dirty water. Don't put your foot on it, because if you put your feet on the water, the dirty water will splash on your frock and your new dress will get spoiled. So Akulya reminded her. Reminded means telling beforehand. See, if you do this and your frock becomes dirty, you know your mom, no, she'll scold you. So be careful when you walk on the road. But this little Malasha was so excited about her new dress, about the Easter Sunday, about the water on the road, and she wanted to enjoy that scene. In that excitement, she plumped her foot into the muddy water. Plumped is she heavily jumped into that muddy water. What would happen, children? You can imagine. So when you try to jump into muddy, dirty water on the road, naturally it will fall on you or someone else on the road. The same thing happened over here. As Malasha jumped into the dirty water, at once all the water from that pool fell on Akulya's new dress. Poor girl, who gave her a good advice, on her frock itself, this muddy water has fallen. Both of them were scared. Akulya was worried that her mother would definitely scold her. Her yellow beautiful frock got spoiled, stained all over with dirty muddy water. Even Malasha was feeling sad that because of her not listening to Akulya, water fell on Akulya's frock. So what were they trying to do, children? They were trying their best to rub the stains off. They were doing all different sorts of things what they can do to take off the stains from Akulya's frock. But will it disappear like that, children? Definitely it has to be washed. As they were worried, trying frantically. The word is frantically, children. Frantically means anxiously, because they wanted the stains to go off very soon before Akulya's mother identifies. What will happen if she identifies? Definitely she will scold Akulya for spoiling the new frock. So both of them were trying to clean Akulya's dress. As they were doing this, children, Akulya's mother came. She saw it. She saw that Akulya's new yellow frock has got stained completely with dirty water. She thought her daughter herself has spoiled the frock, and she started scolding her daughter. What did you do with your dress, Akulya? How come you spoil your new frock like this? She scolded her daughter, Akulya. Then Akulya was so scared of her mother. You also know, children, when you do a mistake and your mom or dad scold you for that, you get scared. And out of that fear, sometimes you may tell lie. No, I didn't do, mom. It was my brother who did it. It was my friend who has done it. Sometimes you try to blame others for it because you don't want to get scolded. Right? So here, Akulya's mother came and she was in a very stern voice, that is very strictly, she scolded her daughter. Why did you spoil your good new dress? Then Akulya, very, very scared, she said, no, Mama, it's not my fault. It's not my mistake. I did not spoil my dress. In fact, I was very carefully walking on the road. But as we were walking, Malasha by mistake splashed all the water on my frock. She jumped into a puddle of water and that water splashed on my frock, Mama. It was not her mistake also. She didn't see She didn't observe the road properly. She didn't see the puddle over there. So by mistake, the water splashed on my frock. But Akulya's mom did not believe it. She did not understand that Malasha did not do on purpose. It was by mistake. She went close to Malasha and she shook her all over. That means she took hold of Malasha and she was giving angry look to Malasha. Poor little girl, she was so scared that she began to weep loudly. That means the meaning of weep is cry. So Malasha started to cry very loudly, thinking that aunt might scold her for spoiling her friend's frock. So this is the story, page 1 of the story, children. The other part will continue in the next class. These are the new words of this page, children. Melt. What is melt? When you keep a cube of ice out of refrigerator, you keep it on a tray and put it in the room, it slowly becomes water. That is melting. Puddles. We have already discussed. Water gathered at a place, that is called a puddle. Muddy brown. So when mud on the road mixes with water, that becomes muddy brown water. Admired. Praise. Appreciate. Excited. Very happy to do something. Plumped. So jumping suddenly. Splashed. That which is sprayed suddenly on someone. Disappear. Disappear means not seen. When you don't see something suddenly, that is disappear. Nervously. Nervously, that is very anxiously, very worriedly. Weep. That means cry. So the words are melt, puddles, muddy brown, admired, excited, plumped, splashed, disappear, nervously, weep. Note down these words in your classwork, children.